What is going on, you guys? It's your boy Joe Blow Gaming. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. You guys know we're pumping out these videos, man. Anyways, today's video, I actually had a comment where somebody was saying that when they create their Minecraft server, they actually can't see their server locally. So usually when you create a server, I think it's usually a like a vanilla server. I could be wrong. I'm not sure. I haven't done this in a long time. But usually now in Minecraft, when you go to your multiplayer and your server's running, it should automatically find your local server and you should just be able to join. But I had a comment because in my Forge Minecraft server video that I made literally yesterday, when I loaded up my multiplayer, my server popped up right away locally. I didn't need to enter anything. But I had a comment and they said that for some odd reason, their server didn't load up and they weren't exactly sure how to get it to load up. So really quickly, right now, I'm going to show you how to do this. And then I'm going to explain to you the IP and stuff. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so we have our server up and running. Okay, if we go to multiplayer, now this is a Craft Bucket server. If you haven't watched the video on how to create a Craft Bucket server, go check it out. I just uploaded it. I did it very quick for you guys. I know you guys like the quick videos. Anyways, so as you can see, scanning local network, nothing is coming up. Now, I think this is because this is a bucket server and not a vanilla server. Now, I don't really see how that could be the problem because it's still a server. So what you're going to do here, okay, is you're going to click add server. All right. And you're not going to type in your IP address. You're going to type 0, done. There's your server. That's all you have to do. You type in 0. Okay. And now just to prove to you, if we join, you can see, oh, I joined the server and there you go. So we're in. Okay. So that's all you have to do. Now your friends will not be able to do that. They will need your IP address. Okay. Now let me show you guys. If you go into your server folder here and you double click on your server, okay, you're gonna scroll down, and right here it's gonna say server IP. There's gonna be nothing there. You need to send your friends the server your IPv4 address. Now, guys, you have to understand something. You can't just create a server and then give them the IP address. It doesn't work like that. You have to port forward your own IPv4 address through your router, through your own, internet router. Now, I've done a video on this before. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys haven't seen that. It's a bit complicated. Well, it's not too bad, but it's a bit complicated, okay? So your friends will need your IPv4 address, but before you can give them that, you need to port forward your IPv4. But if you just want to join locally, all you have to do is click add server 0 and you're done. That's how you join your own server. That's all you need to do. But your friends will not be able to do that. They will need, I think unless they are local, like on your own internet, then maybe they'll be able to do that. But if they're not, you'll have to port forward your IPv4 and send it to them. So if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe. We are almost at 3,000 subscribers. I greatly appreciate you guys, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Adios, guys.